One of the first to ask for her hand was Kojo. So the first man who came forward, his name was Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamai. See, he was also very bigger and very stronger than Yonamai. He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels and his legs resembled tree trunks. See how he was. So he was so tall also, bigger, stronger. Not only this, but he was well built. His hands were like shovel. Shovel means a tool with a long handle and broad blade, which is used for moving sand or snow. See, do you know that tool which we use to move the sand? Okay, that is like that shovel. It is very strong, that shovel. So, like that shovel, his hands were there. Even his legs were resembled tree trunk. Resembled means look like. So his legs were look like tree trunk. See, if the tree means suppose you can just consider the trunk of the tree is so strong and very thick. So like that his legs were there. But he played foul, means he was just stronger than Yonamain. But when he started to fight with her, he did the cheating. He played foul. Even as Yonamain was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent, he threw a punch at her, breaking the rule of the game. See, he break the rule that when Yonamain, you know the karate in our school also we have the activity of karate. So that karate, when they do that their language, they just bow down and then starting they bow, and that sign is just for the opponent, that he should wait for that time, I think so. So like that Yonamain did for that sign but of respect, but he did not wait for her. Even in that condition also he threw a punch towards her, and like this way he break the rule of the game. Yonamain was angry. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully that the unsupportive Kojo fell down in a heap and had to limp away defected. See, then when he did such a thing, then she got very angry. She caught hold of his arm and she twisted it so powerfully that the unsupportive, that time no one was there to unsupportive means what? Not fair or generous in your treatment of other. Unsupportive. So he was not fair in that condition, and that Kojo, he fell down. Where he fell down? In a heap. Heap means a collection of object, where we say that heap, and had a limp away. Had to limp away means limp means not firm. That limp which was not firmly fixed, on that he fell down and he defected, means he lose the match. Many promising young wrestlers tried their hand, but Yonamain defected them all. So like this, like Kojo, many young men, they came forward, they fight with her and they defected. Her father her father was in despair. So despair means he was in just tension. So what will happen now? Her father was thinking. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. Who would marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? So his father himself was started to think that who will marry with my daughter, because many of the times we see the young men that they just want to marry with such a girl that who will be smart, beautiful, but with that she should know how to cook and how to wash the utensils or clothes, because she should supposed to do all the household work also. But my daughter, she is not that much good in these things, but she is only just good in sports or karate. So who will marry with my daughter? Like that he thought.